We have the youth A category flyweights now, 56.7 kilograms or 125 pounds. In the blue corner, Team Bulgaria. In the red, Team Kazakhstan. Double leg straight away from Kazakhstan. Excuse me, Tajikistan. Bulgaria in the blue, Tajikistan in the red. See Bulgaria now on the outside looking for the takedown. Looks like he's got double underhooks here. Might drop down for the single. Good separation. Literally a push and a chase there from the red corner. Tajikistan now looking for a takedown of his own up against the cage. Nice lift. Doesn't get it though. Great facial awareness here from Team Bulgaria. Apologies for the break in the action there, technical issue, but we are back. Team Bulgaria and Team Kazakhstan. Bulgaria in blue, Tajikistan in the red. Second round here, the IMF youths, 16 to 17, under 18, 3 2-minute rounds. A touch of gloves. Leg kick, immediate response now for the takedown. Driving for the takedown now. Red corner now in the top position. Tajikistan did a great job of trying to pass the guard here. Nice body shot from the top position. Bit of ground and pound work here, just trying to facilitate the pass, but he's got to get that right leg out of jeopardy now. Leg lock attempt being initiated. It's a scramble for the top position here. Great fight between the two. And in the corner now, get some adjustments from the refs and the coaches. The application of ice here, just to try and stem the flow of lactic acid. Nice hug there from Bulgaria. That's an interesting point to see as well. The athletes respond to different types of initiation of motivation. Some prefer a more aggressive approach, some a more calm and collected approach. And we just saw a somewhat loving approach though from Bulgaria. It's all about what activates your athlete to perform at his best. Nice body shots here from Team Bulgaria. Double leg attempt now from Tajikistan. Nice body shots. A little complaint of the head shot. The ref might just give a warning here to make sure that those strikes go clean into the body and not to the head. Under the amateur rule set in the youth category, no headshots allowed. Just to make sure that they don't get too much strikes to the head here, as they're still developing as young athletes, still growing. Oh, he looks for the sacrifice over, gives up the back here. And again, the key is that the underhook wasn't implemented. Big, heavy body shots now from the red corner. Tajikistan hammering home, looking to make a statement here in Abu Dhabi. Tajikistan is dominant from this top position. Really making the adjustment to hammer that body home and stay in the top position now.